How to name a group text message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. From this page, open any of your unnamed group messages. If you want to name this group, then tap on the member names at the top. You can view the group and group members' information over here. Tap on Change Name and Photo above as shown. You can now enter a group name over here. You can also add in an emoji from the options below. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully named this group. Following these steps, you can easily name a group text message on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.